Stitch number 30 is an eyelet on the Pfaff Ambition 620. Do make sure that you have fabric and stabilizer for this particular technique. If it's not stabilized correctly, it might not work. You also want to touch the I button and bring up which foot for the use, 2A. Now 2A does not have that little groove for the IDT, so make sure you disengage that and don't try to put this foot on with that particular function engaged. So go ahead and add the foot. You also notice the machine is even telling you to add stabilizer, and of course the IDT is not showing on your screen, so make sure you take that off. You can step on your foot control or touch the start stop button and it will stitch out one eyelet. One eyelet stitched with the locking stitches at the end. Touch the scissor button and you are done. Now there's lots of uses for an eyelet. You can find that you can open it and then run a cord through it. That could be something where shower curtain rings could come through and assist. And people always ask, how do you open it? Well, usually I just take something sharp like my scissors and really just push through and give it a little twist. If you've got an awl or something, scissors work perfect. So just do that and all of a sudden it is open, but it is secured around there. I've even used eyelets to tack a quilt sandwich together, like instead of tying it by hand, you can use a decorative stitch or an eyelet. So keep that in mind, lots of uses, kind of fun. You can make these usually a little bit longer or wider, so you would see that they would change a little bit more ovalish if you would like a look that's not round.